Yo guys, what's going on? Kohler Talks here today. Today we are playing CSGO 2, and we're gonna try to get some kills right now. Hey team, hello. Can you guys hear me? Yo team, hello. As you guys can see, I'm gonna literally clutch up this whole entire game. It's a pretty easy game. I am the best, as you can see. Like, look at this. Ready? Bang, bang, bang. Alright guys, Kohler Talks here again. Let's see what the sniper's all about. Okay, these guys are really bad at this game. I thought these guys would be better, if I'm gonna be honest. Oh, here's another one. Pretty simple, like I said. I'm gonna be honest, this game really takes no skill. So, yeah. This game is pretty easy. I know I'm clapping a lot. It's pretty simple game. I don't know. Holy crap, this game sucks.